Hey guys, thanks for joining me on Christy's Bargains and Reviews. Today I am going to do a follow-up on my previous video with the Farmasi cosmetics. But first I wanted to tell you, on that video I made a comment about myself and how I'm getting older and getting splotches on my face, right? So as all women do, we do get these brown spots on our face when we get older, just from age and sun and everything else, right? So I've been sitting here and I've been wondering, what can we do to maybe lighten those things up? And I did a lot of Googling and everything, and in my search, well, this search was for, my son and I have psoriasis really bad, right? So I was trying to do a search on things that might help with the psoriasis. And I come across this product that helps with troubled skin and psoriasis and acne and my mago, and all of these other things. So that product is, and yes, I did already open it because I've already used it, but this product is Shea Moisture African Black Soap. See, it comes in this. We got it at Walmart. Now, you can go on their website and they've got wipes and facial masks and shampoo and conditioners and I mean, just the works. They have everything, but I haven't tried any of that. The only thing I've tried is this soap, and it really is a black bar of soap. Sorry, it's my hair. It's a black bar soap, like legit, and it smells really good. It's a very clean and fresh. It doesn't smell like tar. It's just a really good smelling soap, and it makes your skin so soft. Like, I was worried about it because bar soap tends to make me feel really dry. That's why I pretty much stick to liquid soap. But I did try this bar soap, and I do have to say it is amazing. I don't know how it goes for psoriasis yet or acne, due to my son has not used it yet. But as far as my spots on my face goes, I can definitely say I've used it 3 times. I do feel that it has lightened those spots up, because we all have them. They're like right here where we have that, maybe a couple over here, and it has definitely lightened the spots up. So just in case you wanted to try it, or you were looking for something that you needed to find that and get some clearing on your skin, go try it. It's about $3, almost $4 for a big old bar like this, but it's worth it. Again, it's Shea Moisture African Black Soap. So it's down, I think, where all the shampoos and everything are. But try it, and if you do try it, let me know what you think about it. That way, you know, we can let more people know, hey, this worked for me. Hey, no, it didn't work for me. But let me know. Let me know what you think. So back to what I was saying before. We have the follow-up from that one before for the Farmasi. So what I was doing is I ordered that big shipment, right, that I showed you last time with the lipsticks and makeup and everything else. And I spent a fair amount. Not a lot for the amount of makeup I got, but it was a fair amount. Now it was probably, I spent probably about $60, $70 for all of that makeup, so it really wasn't that bad. But here's what I was talking to my neighbor about. Farmasi is kind of like, you sell it and then you get people underneath you and blah 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 blah. And she asked me, she said, why don't you sell this? She said, why don't you become one of the subscribers and, you know, sell it? And I thought about it and I was like, no, I've done all that before, so I'm not going to do it. And you know, on the previous ones I had to do, or I did, you have to sell like $600 worth of product every 3 months, and if you didn't, you got deactivated, and then you had to buy a whole bunch more to get reactivated, and it just sucked. Like, it really sucked. But with this one, it's different, because I went online that night after she was talking to me about it, and I Googled it, you know, because Google has all the answers, right? So what I did is I researched it. So with this product, you don't have to buy all of that stuff. All you have to do is make one order. You make one purchase every 6 months. It can be of one thing. It could be just a lipstick. It could be the cheapest thing there, whatever, it doesn't matter. So, and then you get your stuff at, you know, at cost. So it's 50% off of the retail value, and you only have to make one order every 6 months. So that's kind of like a no-brainer. It's a win-win thing. I went home that night and I signed up for it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what came in my sign-up packet. I have no idea what's in it. I didn't open it. The only thing I just did was I took off the strip right here that goes on the FedEx package. That's the only thing I did. So we're gonna see what's in this package together. So let's see. It's really heavy, by the way, so it's got to be a lot. Now this only cost $19 and some change, so it's like 20 bucks to sign up, and which that's the cheapest version. 20 bucks to sign up. You get this box with some books and stuff like that. So it's only 20 bucks to sign up. Now you can get the more expensive versions that have all the makeup and everything else, and it could run up to $400. But I didn't do all that. I'm not in it to sell and make money. I'm in it to get a good product at a good price and, you know, help other people out as well. So let's dig into this box. This is what it comes with, right? This is what is in. And in this, you get, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books, right? And it's this. This is what it says. Okay. And it is the makeup book, actually. Like, it has all the different things in it. See? Like everything. And it looks like, hey look, they even have nail polish. They have perfumes, nail polish, anything you can think of. So you get your 6 books. Let's put these out over here, and let's open this. So on the box it says the Farmasi starter kit, right? And let's throw this paper over here. Welcome to your new journey. Okay. It's got a letter from Farmasi saying welcome. It's got opportunity earn well Farmasi. So this is just basically telling you how to make your money, how to sell, you know, what do you have to do to make money? That's what this is. This is, what is this? This says skincare guide. Okay. And it's just got your different things and what's good for what, and all of that kind of good stuff. It has Farmasi makeup. So I have here, this is 14 different samples of lipstick. So that's some individual lipsticks, 14 of them to sample. Okay, so after your lipsticks, the sample lipsticks, you have these. The Stay Matte Mineral Enriched. So it's just different makeups, like foundations. And then after that, there is this little book that shows about all your makeup colors and what goes with what and everything else, right? That's what it says. Then you get the sample of Dr. C Tuna 2x Double Effect Relaxing Massage Gels. Awesome. You get 4 of those. See? So you get 4 massage gels. You get a little baggie. You get, what is this? Shampoo and hair masks. So this is vitalizing shampoo and 2 things of shampoo and 2 things of masks. And then you get Farmasi makeup, color correcting makeup. So they get that. And then another baggie. See? So you get all of that for 20 bucks. Plus your membership to be able to make your orders and have them at half off. Which is a really, really good deal. Sign up. That way you can get yours half off too. Or you can sell it. It should be easy. It should sell itself, right? I mean, you saw all the stuff that you get, and I mean, you previously saw all the stuff I got. I hope you enjoyed all the information I gave you today. Other than that, y'all have a great day, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye.